Let me ask you something. Why does crypto always feel so serious? Charts, numbers, stress. What if a platform flipped that completely and turned it into something fun, interactive, almost like a game? And on top of that, you can unlock rewards just by getting started. Alright, so today we are looking at something actually different. LBank just partnered with Nobody Sausage. Yeah, that's a viral character you've probably seen all over the internet, and instead of doing a typical boring campaign, they built something more engaging and more interactive. And I will walk you through exactly how it works step by step. But before we start, make sure that this is not financial advice. Always do your before getting into anything I share with you my YouTube channel, and let's get into it. So if you've ever seen Nobody Sausage, you already know the vibe. It's random, funny, kind of chaotic, but that's exactly why it went viral. And LBank using the same energy to make crypto feel less intimidating. Before, let's be honest, for a lot of people, crypto platforms feel complicated at first. So instead of just focusing on technical features, they are mixing in culture, memes, and entertainment. And they even run small games and interactive posts on their official X account where users can actually participate and engage with the campaign. So before jumping into step-by-step guide on how to join this campaign, let me give you a quick context. What is LBank? LBank is a global crypto exchange where you can trade spot, futures, and explore a wide range of tokens. It's been around for years and it's known for listing trending projects early and for its seamless trading experience. But what makes this campaign interesting is not just the platform itself, it's the experience they are trying to build around it. So now let's break down the campaign step by step. As you can see guys, so this is the homepage or the event page. So here you're gonna find all the details. The first thing you need to do is to create your account and complete KYC verification. This is a standard on most exchanges, just confirming your identity. Once you do that, you unlock a $5 futures bonus, which is super. Think of that as a starting point, something you can use to explore the platform. And this part is simple, no trading required yet. The next step is do a spot trade with at least 100 USDT in volume. This just means buying or selling crypto normally, no leverage, nothing complex. Once you complete that, you unlock another $5 bonus. So by now you've already completed 2 simple steps and collected rewards along the way. Now we move to the main part, futures trading tasks. This is where rewards scale depend on your trading activity. The higher your trading volume, the higher the reward tier you unlock. And rewards can go up to around $120 in bonuses. But it's important to understand these rewards are not automatic. They depend on participation and activity. And also future trading involves risk, so you should take this in consideration. So if you are new, it's always better to start small, learn how it works, and avoid overexposing yourself. Now here is an interesting part. There is a loss coverage feature on your first trade up to $10. So if your first trade doesn't go your way, there is some protection built in. And for beginners, that can make the first step a bit more comfortable. And beyond the main step, there are additional reward pools and activities tied to the campaign. For example, extra reward based on trading volume, social and interaction based tasks, and themed activities connected to Nobody Sausage. So it's not just about trading, it's about engaging with the whole ecosystem. And this is where the collaboration really stands out, because LBank didn't just launch a campaign, they create something that feels interactive, with games, content, and community engagement happening around it. So it feels less a typical exchange and more like an experience. Most platforms focus only on features, but here LBank focusing on how users feel when they use the platform. And that's important, especially for new users entering crypto, because the easier and more engaging it feels, the more people are willing to explore it. Quick reminder, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risk before trading, especially with futures. If you want to check it out, I will leave all the links down below in the description. Go explore it by yourself, see how the reward works, and tell me, do you prefer this type of crypto experience or the traditional ones? Let me know what you want to see in next videos. We are back and we are going to make insane content. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section about the crypto market, what you want to watch next, if there is anything to discuss, and see you in next videos. Peace out.